guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my crochet faux locks and how I make them look more natural and what I think is like the quickest and easiest process. So I'm starting off with freshly stretched and clean hair. To facilitate this process for myself, what I do is that I section off every piece of hair that I want. So I'm going to take a section and twist it halfway and then coil the rest of it so that way I know how many locks I want in my head. And I'm not spending extra time just like sectioning off everything later on. And so now it looks like this, but when I pick up one of those coils, I have a section there ready for me to use and install the faux lock. Again, you don't have to twist the whole section, just enough for you to be able to tell the difference between each piece. The hair I'm using is from my local beauty supply store. Make sure you're using crochet faux locks that the coil is tight enough, not like those really loose ringlets, because if not, your hair's just gonna slip out. So the tighter and the more distressed the coil is, the better, because that way it has a better hold of your hair. The crochet looks like this. It has like a little loop on the end, and then to open it, you just have to twist it the opposite way. Now to install it is literally so easy. So you're gonna take one of your sections and you're gonna divide it into 3 as if you're gonna start braiding that hair. And on one of the legs of that braid, you're gonna take the loop of the crochet faux lock and slip it through. And you're gonna bring that up to like the root of the hair. And then you're gonna put the rest of their hair together and literally just start braiding. Again, you don't have to braid all the way. I just braid halfway and then like finger coil the rest. And now to tuck it into the lock, all you have to do is twist the faux lock the opposite way, which again, it's to open it. And you're gonna start wrapping it around your hair. When you let go, the natural form of the faux lock is going to naturally just coil back up around your natural hair. Twist to open, wrap it, twist to open, wrap it, and just continue that process until you get to the bottom. I like to just tuck it in, roll it between my hands, and that is it. When the locks are brand new, at least for me, my hair didn't peek through. But if you want to secure it extra, you can grab some Marley braiding hair and just wrap it around up to where you know your hair is. The crochet method I literally learned from another girl on YouTube. If I find the video, I'm gonna link it down below. But yeah, this is how I've been doing my hair. I love it, so natural. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.